Which of the following inhibitor has been effective for internal corrosion domestic fuel oil tanks? A. Alkaline sodium chromate. B. Sodium silicate. C. Ammonia. D. Sodium carbonate. The correct answer is alkaline sodium chromate. Which of the following are the neutralizers added to well to minimize corrosion? A. Ammonia and sodium carbonate. B. Ammonia, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide and sodium silicate. C. Ammonia and sodium silicate. D. Sodium carbonate and sodium silicate. The correct answer is ammonia, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide and sodium silicate. Which of the following metals are usually used for heat exchanger tubes carrying water? A. Carbon steels. B. Brass and cupronickel. C. Arsenical admiralty metal. D. Brass cupronickel and arsenical admiralty metal. The correct answer is brass cupronickel and arsenical admiralty metal. Which of the following element is the most beneficial alloying element in steel for resistance to sulfur compounds? A. Chromium. B. Nickel. C. Molybdenum. D. Carbon. The correct answer is chromium. Which of the following impurities that causes corrosion difficulties in refinery operations? A. Hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid and sodium chloride. C. Sodium carbonate and sodium silicate. D. Hydrogen sulfide and sulfuric acid. The correct answer is hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid and sodium chloride. How the corrosion characteristics of a well can be determined? A. Inspection of surface equipment. B. Analysis of carbon dioxide and organic acid. C. Tubing caliper surveys. D. Inspection of surface equipment, analysis of carbon dioxide, organic acid and tubing caliper surveys. The correct answer is inspection of surface equipment, analysis of carbon dioxide, organic acid and tubing caliper surveys. Which of the following prevention methods that are usually employed on a beam of offshore drilling? A. Paints and other organic coatings. B. Cathodic protection with sacrificial anodes or impressed currents. C. Adding inhibitors. D. Adding inhibitors, paints and other organic coatings and cathodic protection. The correct answer is adding inhibitors, paints and other organic coatings and cathodic protection. Which of the following are the general areas of the petroleum industry that faces corrosion problems? A. Production unit. B. Transportation and storage. C. Refinery operations. D. Production unit, transportation, storage and refinery operations. The correct answer is production unit, transportation, storage and refinery operations. Which of the following impurities is often present in oil and gas wells? A. Saline water. B. Sulfides. C. Saline water, sulfides and organic impurities such as ammonia. D. Organic impurities such as ammonia. The correct answer is saline water, sulfides and organic impurities such as ammonia. Which of the following impurity that causes rapid intergranular stress corrosion cracking of sensitized austenitic stainless steels in refinery operations? A. Sodium chloride. B. Naphthenic acid. C. Hydrogen sulfide. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is naphthenic acid. Which of the chemical are added for the removal of hydrogen sulfide and neutralization? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. Lime. C. Sodium hydroxide and lime. D. Naphthenic acid. The correct answer is sodium hydroxide and lime. Which of the following metals are used for petroleum well valves and wellhead parts? A. Straight chromium stainless steels and stellite. B. Monel and copper-based alloys. C. Monel straight chromium steels, stellite and copper-based alloys. D. Monel and stellite. The correct answer is Monel straight chromium steels, stellite and copper-based alloys. Ammonia is used to control the pH of the water and to reduce chloride acidity in the process stream. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Water acts as an electrolyte and causes corrosion as it tends to hydrolyze chlorides and other materials to form an acidic environment. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following are the desalting methods in the petroleum industry? A. Washing and settling. B. Addition of chemicals such as sulfonates. C. Centrifuging and filtering. Washing and settling. The addition of chemicals such as sulfonates. D. Centrifuging and filtering. The correct answer is centrifuging and filtering. Washing and settling. The addition of chemicals such as sulfonates.